everyone! Today we're going to draw an octopus. I'm going to start with my octopus head. Octopus heads are very big. So we're going to draw a big circle like that. Octopi are very smart. So they have to have big heads to leave room for their big brains. Octopi, they also have 8 legs or tentacles. So we're going to go ahead and start with the one on the right side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw it out like this. I'm going to go with the base, and then I'm just going to follow along with that tentacle shape. I'm going to draw my second tentacle, probably in the same direction, but following the same shape with the bottom. Now I'm going to actually move over here for my third tentacle. This one's going to kind of go out here and then come up and around. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of expose the bottom of the tentacle, which will add to most of these others as well. So that's my third tentacle. I'm going to go ahead and add my fourth one. So we're going to go around here, and then I'm going to create the shape all the way around. Now we're going to draw a couple of tentacles here. We're going to point these ones a little bit more down there. We're going to add another one here. So let's go ahead and count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to add 7 and 8. So I'm going to go ahead and add one probably over here. There we go. And then I'm gonna add one over here, just kind of flipping up, kind of like it's a fun little tentacle. There we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and add some details. We already added the little bottom of the tentacle here. Let's add a couple more shapes. This will make a little bit more sense when we start to color everything in. Just make sure you add the bottom of the tentacles, and we're gonna add some little spots to go with them too. Go one here. We'll do another one here. And another one here. Let's add just a small one to this one. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a nice little face to our octopus. I'm gonna make just a cute little cutie pie face for mine. I'm gonna do 2 little dots. And a nice tiny smile. There, super cute. We're gonna add some more details in a minute, but what I wanna do is I wanna go ahead and get this octopus colored in. And so I'm gonna use this nice bright blue. This is gonna take a little while for me to color in this big, huge shape. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna speed up the video. Feel free to pause if you need to catch up on the coloring. Okay, that coloring was pretty chaotic. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna color in, just track with me here. I'm gonna color in these tentacles blue, but the bottom part of the tentacles, here, 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 and here, 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 I'm gonna color in gray. And you know what, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, might be easier for me to start with the gray coloring and then fill in blue, just so that there's no confusion. So we're gonna go ahead and color in the gray portions. We'll speed it up just a little bit, just so that you can follow along, and just trust me with this process. Okay, there, that makes me feel a lot more confident that we'll be able to color in the correct portions of the tentacles blue. So we're gonna go ahead and finish coloring in the rest of this blue. We're gonna speed up the video. Feel free to pause if you need to. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna use my black marker to freshen things up. I'm gonna go over my eyes again and some of these lines, but what I'm also going to do is I'm gonna add some black spots to the bottom of these octopus tentacles. There we have it, our brilliant, sweet octopus. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.